Wala pang planong magpakasal at bumuo ng sariling pamilya ang celebrity couple na sina James Reid at Issa Pressman. Ine-enjoy daw muna nila ni James ang kanilang relasyon bilang boyfriend-girlfriend at bagong-bago pa lang ang kanilang love story. Nakatsikahan namin si Issa sa naganap na celebrity red carpet premiere ng Lisa Frankenstein, kagabi sa SM Aura Cinema 1 kung saan isa sa lead cast ang talent ni James na si Liza Soberano. Natanong namin si Issa kung kumusta na ang relasyon nila ni James. "We're good. Smooth and steady." Ilan daw sa mga bonding moments nila ay ang pag-workout at morning walks. Pareho rin daw silang mahilig sa music and arts. Nagkakasundo rin daw sila sa maraming bagay. Pinuri rin ng sister-rock ni Yasi Pressman si James bilang isang good partner, dahil napatunayan niya kung hanggang saan siya kayang ipagtanggol ng actor, singer at record producer. Inalala pa ni Issa yung time na binabash sila ni James matapos umamin sa kanilang relasyon. Siya kasi ang sinisisi ng mga fans kung bakit naghiwalay sina James at Nadine Lustre. "Nakakatakot before. It feels relieving. At least ngayon nakakahinga na ako. It was quite tough. It was really rough. Now I just feel that there is more love around," pahayag ni Issa. Ang galing niya mag-support. "I don't think I'd be able to get through all of this if not for him, the support, security that he's able to give. Not everyone knows but he's very, very wise. The words that he gives to me are fulfilling. You feel secure. You feel safe," say pa niya about James. Hindi rin daw siya masyadong pumapatol at nagpapaapekto sa mga haters sa SOCMED. "I don't put my energy into that. I cannot control them naman, diba? I cannot control how they speak or what they want to say. But what I can control is how I accept those things," dagdag chika pa ni Issa. Nag-comment din siya sa mga malilisyosong chismis patungkol kina Liza at James. "Hindi kasi ako ma-online sa mga chismis or stuff like that. Narinig ko na lang afterwards na nolilink pala sila before. You know naman showbiz nolilink sila to everyone," say ng dalaga. At sa tanong kung napag-uusapan na nila ang James ang pagpapakasal, wala pa kasi I'm 26 na and we discussed together na we're building like a good foundation with each other. And we want to go through like all the experiences, step by step, aniya pa. Para kay Issa, ang ideal marrying age ay 30. Samantala, wala sa plano ni Issa ang sumabak sa acting. Mas gusto raw niya ang producing, art and creative direction. "I'm actually developing something that I'm launching soon. Pero I'm not gonna give that out pa muna. I've been working on it," dagdag chika ni Issa.